How to download free presets safely. First of all, open the app on your device, navigate to the library section where you will find a variety of free presets available for download. Browse through the presets and tap on any one that you like. Next, you will see the Get button. Tap on it to start the download process. In most cases, you will need to watch a short video before the presets become available. Once the video finishes, your preset is ready to use and you can apply it to your photos in Lightroom. Using free presets from reliable sources ensures that your Lightroom app remains safe and your edits look professional. You can now enjoy a wide range of free presets to enhance colors, tones, and overall photo quality. Now you know how to download free presets safely in Lightroom Preset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.